This is a vlog for the Shadows channel. If you have not subscribed to these three channels, yes, 3 channels, please go subscribe. They are the Mad Gamer YT, that's Anthony's channel, the Shadows channel, which is the gaming channel, and the Shadows update channels is when there's updates about these channels. Alright, but this vlog video today is about my kitty cat, Alfie. He's a Russian blue kitty. He's grown a bit. He's not like how he used to be. And the camera, Alfie. Yeah, he's just really tired. Trust me, he gets excited. Yeah. So this is my cat. I'm gonna clean up this fucking room. This looks like shite. But this is my cat. He's a good boy. Oh fuck. Alfie! Yeah, I was gonna do another video of the Xbox One now, since that's plugged up. Okay, hold on. Okay, if anyone watches this and you play on the Xbox One, can you tell me how to upload Xbox One in the comments? Like, please, like, I've been trying to upload. By the way, if you have an Xbox and you want to add me, that's my thing. If you want to pause the video there, it's my gamer tag. This is the same gamer tag for PlayStation 4, and for Steam. When I start uploading on Steam, I'll tell you guys later. But this is our kitty. This is our good boy. Yeah. These are Russian blue cats. We found one in New York. He's a very good boy. He's got sharp claws. But he's a male. He's a boy. If you don't know what male is. And you know, this is our cat. And this is recorded by phone, so the quality might be shit. Oh boy. Come on. And my cat likes to follow me. Mostly me. Nice. And the front door's always locked. You know, this is the laundry room. This is his litter box, his mat, his eating bowl. He loves to eat a lot. This is his toy. I don't know where the ball went. But he used to spin it, or he can just scratch it or relax here. Yeah. He likes this yellow ball. I forgot. I don't know where it is. He loses it, but then he finds it, or we find it. It's like it's a yellow Nerf ball for like those Nerf type guns. It hurts a lot when you shoot at someone, but you know, it's fun to use though. Yeah, so this is our cat Alfie. He's a good boy. Oh, he's outside in there. He's coming out. Oh shit. Alfie. No face reveal yet until like we get more popular. Alfie. It's not time for you to eat, boy. Actually, it might be. I don't know. I have to close one after. So yes, this is it. Also, we're gonna have a new thing. So if you saw on the schedule, there'll be certain times of those days that we vid. We will you know what, I'll leave this in the update channel. I'll put that in the update channel. So look around for that. The Shadows channel, like the gaming channel, has a picture of a dragon. The update channel has a picture of Killzone, and then Anthony's channel has like a picture of a green background and like a face on it. I forgot I don't even know what it is. He's hiding. He's a good boy. But that's the end of the video. It's a 5-minute video. It's a vlog. It's a short vlog. There'll be like birthday parties and stuff like that. All that type of stuff. It's really cool. Hell, I might even go live for it. But it'll still be in the vlog channel. Alright. So, like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. And then, become a shadow. I would usually say that for all the channels. But, yeah. Become a shadow. Subscribe to the youtube.com/theshadows. YouTube.com/The Shadows Update Channel, YouTube.com/TheMadGamerYT. Alright? And, remember, there was a band called The Shadows. It's not why I freaking named my channel The Shadows, by the way. There's a band named The Shadows, so, that's not it. There will be videos of Fortnite, Dead by Daylight, Killing Floor, COD, stuff like that. Alright, you know. And Lobo Planet 3. And yeah, I'll try to eventually upload, because like I want to upload today, and it would definitely be for fucking For Honor. And it would be Rainbow later, and then like shit like that. But yeah, I know I was supposed to do Bloodborne today, but that's gonna be moved for next Friday, and that's gonna be a live stream. Alright? Yeah. We are also, there's going to be 2 videos in the update channel, one tomorrow, and then one on Sunday. Wait, I think, yeah, today's Friday. Yeah, so one tomorrow, one on Sunday. Jesus Christ, Alfie. Yeah. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Like I said, do all that, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, my fellow shadows.